Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone.
Oke, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you all participants? I hope you stay healthy. And I want to say hello to our presenters tonight, Mr. Anggit. How are you, Mr. Anggit?
Oh, very well. Thank you, Miss Dira.
Okay, good. You seem well prepared to give some amazing material tonight. Okay, before we start the presentation from Mr. Anggit, maybe I want to say about our schedule, and I want to share screen. Okay, our topic tonight is bifurcation market or opportunities to accelerate and future proofing in the face of the potential recession by Mr. Anggit Adiwijaya. Okay, our schedule is the first. We have opening Zoom at the 7:30 p.m. and then greeting participant and short chit chat with participant plus reading the rundown. We have 15 minutes, and then the third agenda, the presentation from Mr. Anggit. We have 20 minutes, and then after the presentation, we have the question and answer about the 20 minutes too. And then after question and answer, we have two breakout room. The first breakout room, we have 15 minutes again. And then the second breakout room, we have 15 minutes. And then taking pictures together. After that, the last, choosing a moderator and presenter. Okay, maybe I want to introduce myself. My name is Dira Al-Humaira. I'm from Aceh. I'm architecture student the last semester at the Shah Kuala University. Okay, and then listen the presentation from Mr. Anggit Adiwijaya, or we can follow his Instagram at the Anggit Adiwijaya as the sales manager at the shipper. Okay, we have 20 minutes to presentation, and I give this meeting or this discussion to you, Mr. Anggit. Please show your presentation. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Miss Dira. I think according the schedule, we will start chit chat with maybe the new joiner in this class, Miss Dira.
Okay. Yeah, maybe our schedule before we listen the presentation from the Mr. Anggit, we have a short chit chat with the participant. Okay, maybe I want to ask. I don't see a new member in the room because
I think the new member is Hamim.
Oh,
Hamim is my friend in UGM. Okay, please, Hamim.
Please, Hamim. How are you?
Hello, Anggit. I'm fine. Thanks, Miss Dira, for introducing me. And actually, Anggit is my friend. Yeah. And he is my classmate in geography, UGM. Yeah. And I didn't expect that I can meet him in this session. Yeah. It's great to meet all of you, especially Anggit. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Hamim. Hamim, maybe
enough.
you can a short introduce yourself. Maybe your background education, or right now you have working in where office. Okay, please, Hamim.
Okay. So basically, I graduated from geography UGM, same as Anggit. However, my major is cartography and remote sensing. And currently, I'm a lecturer in Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta in geography department. Yeah, and I think I know some of the participant here. And Mas Acep Usman is my financial advisor. Yeah, yeah. I think it's great opportunity to meet with all of you in this great occasion to learn English together. Thank you, Mr. Dennis, for providing us
Welcome,
for this
Mr. Amin.
very good opportunity. Yeah. Thank you, all of you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hamim. Maybe we have a member. I don't see new member in the room because I new member too. How about you, Mr.
Bima is
Anggi?
new member.
Yeah, Mr. Acha?
Bima is new member, I think.
Oh,
I
Bima.
invited him to come.
Oh,
Please
yeah,
introduce
yeah, yeah.
yourself, Bima.
Hello, my name is Bima Jago Bintoro. I'm from SMA 3 Cibinong. I'm now in the 11th grade. I'm the vice president of the Semantic English Club. Also, I'm coming to hear from the presentation of Mr. Abcep. Thanks a lot for him to invite me. It's an opportunity and a lot of things I need to learn from this meeting, and a lot of new things that maybe will be so useful, especially when I want to meet a lot of other people. Thanks.
Okay, thank you,
Welcome,
Bima.
Mr. Bima.
Thank you, Mr. Bima. I want to see Shiva Anaya. I think is a new member. Shiva, can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Shiva Inaya. I am from Aceh. Hi Sister Dira. I am from University Shah Kuala University, a primary school student.
Okay. Hello, Shiva.
Welcome, Shiva.
From Aceh.
Hello,
Okay.
Miss Iva.
Okay.
Welcome.
That's a lot of work.
Okay. We have a time, and I think no one new member again. Okay. Ayu Izaki, new member or no?
Yeah, Ayu is new member. I invited her.
Okay. Can you introduce yourself, Ayu? Hello, Ayu. Maybe the connection is unstable, right?
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Ayu Izaki. I've graduated from IPB University and I'm yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. And can you hear me right now? Okay, everyone. Can you hear me right now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah.
We can use that our static happening.
Okay. So my name is Ayu Izaki. I graduated from IPB University, and now I'm living in Bogor. Yeah, nice to meet you all.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ayu from IPB University. And then next, maybe Salman Al Farisi, new member, right? Mr. Salman, can you introduce yourself?
Like actually, this is my second time. In the last week, I already introduced myself, so I will introduce myself again. My name is Salman Al Farisi, but everyone just call me Salman, and I'm from Jakarta, and I'm graduate from ITS Surabaya for the major of mechanical, and I think that's it.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Salman from Jakarta. Okay, we have 5 minutes left. Maybe before we start the presentation from Mr. Anggit, we have a new member again. I think enough. Okay, maybe we move to the next agenda, the presentation from Mr. Anggit uh, about bifurcation market or opportunities to accelerate and future proof in the face of a potential recession. Okay, Mr. Anggit, take your place.
Okay, thank you, Miss Dira and everyone. I will try to present my presentation about bifurcation market. Okay. 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 My presentation is can see in your screen, everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
It is
clear.
a great opportunity for me to present our presentation about bifurcation market. Yeah, what is bifurcation market? At the later we will discuss about the in pandemic era the economic have shifting, have shifting, so we can discuss together how the pandemic effect about the market. Okay, this is my right now I currently as a sales manager in Shipper. This is Shipper is a logistic company. This is my big motivation for learning English, because I went in senior high school and in student in university, like Mr. Hamim. I think English is not important, but right now in Shipper we have co-worker from several countries, like my direct manager from Thailand, from Filipina, and from India. So I have to improve my English, because English is our daily conversation, for daily briefing, for send the memo. Yeah, we use English. So it is my a big opportunity to learn English. Yes, I graduate from UGM as Rumah Kepemimpinan Scholarship awardee, like Mr. Dennis, Miss Hairunisa in here. Okay, the I will quote from Peter Drucker. Peter Drucker is the big marketer in the world. She said that business had two basic function. The number one is innovation, and the second one is marketing. What is the innovation? Innovation is when the product is produced in factory. Yeah, this is the innovation, product produced in the factory. But the essential of marketing is we can deliver the value about the product to the customer. Yes. So this is the two most important in the supply chains in a business: innovation and marketing, like Peter Drucker said. Yes, we continue about the bifurcation market. The first one we will discuss about bifurcation market, and the second one we will discuss how we can anticipate about market bifurcation effect in our business, maybe, or our business. If you are an employee or you are a business entrepreneur, we can anticipate about the bifurcation market. Okay, what is the bifurcation market? I quote this insight from Deloitte research. This Deloitte research about bifurcation market. What is the bifurcation market? Bifurcation market is the loss of middle class. Middle class economic. Middle class economic is the loss. So we know that economic or product is divided three kind or three categories. The first one is price based, or we can call the affordable product. Affordable product or price based product. And the second one is balanced. Balanced is the middle class product. And the last one is premier product or the premium product. Now, in the pandemic era, if we see the net store opening, yes, premium product and the affordable product have growth, yeah, positive growth. But in the middle class category have minus growth, yes, minus growth, like in this diagram. And then if we see the revenue growth, yeah, revenue growth, the first we see the net store, yeah, net store opening, and then we see the revenue growth, different type of retailer. We can see that the premium is have a growth, yeah, if growth so high, yeah, and the affordable product, yeah, affordable category is growth, yeah, but in the middle class the growth is so little, yeah, so little in the 5 years revenue growth or in the 1 revenue growth. So we know that if we run the business or we will launch a product, I think we must caution, yeah, we caution this phenomena. If you will launch medium category, I think it is not good, yeah, for currently, because I think the positive growth, the exponential growth is premium or price-based category or affordable category. It is the interesting phenomena we can anticipate in the future. Okay, if in the specific category, yeah, I saw the category about footwear, yeah, footwear, food or groceries or health and beauty. We can see that premium brand is have highest growth, yeah, 4.0%, and mid price is the lowest growth, yeah, just 1.3%, and the value brand, or we can say the affordable product, growth 3.2%. So the winning is premium and value or affordable product. This is in footwear category. We can see, and at the food or grocery category, a premium, yeah, and value product, product based or affordable product is a more higher growth than middle price brand. Who is the winning? Yeah, the winning is premium and value based category. And the last one, we see the health or beauty category. Yeah, the highest growth is premium brand, and the second one is value brand, and the lowest is mid price brand or medium category. Who is the winning? Premium and value or affordable product. So in this category, we can see that the best category product for the current business is premium product or affordable product. So it is we can consider if our business, our company will launch the medium category, because the opportunity to growth is very low, I think. Okay, I got the Bloomberg, yeah, the Bloomberg that Indonesia just in 1 year lost from upper middle income status, yeah, amid the pandemic. I think it is the very important to us that Indonesia have get, yeah, the status about upper middle income, but just 1 year Indonesia downgrade be lower income status as a country because the pandemic effect. Now, how we can anticipate the what is the anticipate about a bifurcation market? It's called the next normal marketing. we well know that the popular tools for marketing, we can call a 4P marketing. What is 4P marketing? 4E marketing is product, place, promotion, and the price. Yeah, we know that it is the popular method in the marketing, yeah, for product, place, price, and promotion. Product, we know this is the product knowledge. What is the comparative advantages or competitive advantages? Yeah, and the second one is place. Place is where we can put our product, yeah, in store or maybe in the strategic place. Yeah, and the third one is promotion. Promotion is how we can make advertising to our product. Yeah, like maybe we can put in television or in newspaper on the etc. And the last one is price. Yeah, price is the opportunity to get a new customer. Maybe you can get a discount. But I think 4P marketing is the past, yeah, the past marketing. And in the future, we have the shifting marketing. The name is 3R marketing. What is 3R marketing? 3R marketing is recommendation, review, and rating. If we look for marketing, 4P marketing is product oriented. Yes, product oriented. So in the 3R marketing, the oriented is customer oriented. So the marketing have shifting from product oriented to the customer oriented. Okay, the recommendation, review, and rating. I think all of us often, yeah, buy GoFood, yeah, GoFood, GrabFood, and the etc. Shopee Food. I think if we will choose the shopper, the food, yeah, we will see the rating, 5 star, maybe 4 star. It is the very important for us. Yeah, so all the customer have can participate to give the rating for the product, not just the factory, yeah, can give advertising, but we as customer can give the rating. Or the next is the review. It is the important marketing, because if the customer have reviewed the product, it is the big effect, yeah, for other, and more trust, yeah, more trust than the review come from the factory or the principal the product, but the review is from customer to customer. And the recommendation, the last is the recommendation. What is the recommendation? Recommendation is the trust if he come from maybe our inner circle. Maybe if I will buy anything, maybe I will be laptop, I will ask to my friend, Mr. Hamim. Mr. Hamim, where is the place for I can buy the laptop maybe? So Mr. Hamim will recommend it to you, to me, yeah, for buy in maybe in shop A or shop B. It is the big effect, because our inner circle will be a big effect to consider our our option, yeah, to buy something. This is the new 3R marketing: recommendation, review, and rating. And the last one is the advertising. If we talk about the marketing, I think the advertising is the most important. But if we just maybe sell the product, we just show the price release, it is very boring. because the most important in the social media of product, it is the educational content, not just show the product feature or just show the press release. Because I think we don't have mind that we produce the product for sell the customer, but we must move in our mind that the problem of customer can solve by our product. So our product based by problem customer, not we produce the product, so we serve the customer to buy our product. I think it is false. We must get the customer problem, so we produce our product to solve the problem of a customer. I think the best marketing, yeah, in the social media with educational content, not just show the product feature on the of the or the priceless, but priceless but product. Educational content is very important for we can engage to our customer. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. This is for my presentation. I'm so sorry if my English is blah blah blah. Okay, thank you, Miss Dira.
Okay, thank you for Mr. Anggit, the amazing presentation. After me hear the presentation, maybe they are all participants who want to ask to Mr. Anggit because we have 20 minutes to question and answer. Does anyone to ask? Okay, maybe can click icon raise hand or via chat in Zoom or turn on your microphone. Okay, does anyone to ask? Okay, maybe we have two participants want to ask to Mr. Anggit. The first, maybe I choose Miss Dian. Okay, Miss Dian, please.
Okay, thank you, Miss Dira, and congratulations to Anggit. Okay, it's really interesting topic, Anggit, actually, because this is the first time I heard about bifurcation market. Even though I'm as a lecturer of economy, so I think it's really interesting. And my question is for Anggit. So Anggit, what do you think? Where are they going? I mean, because you said the middle class is become lower, and what happened to them? Are they going to become a lower class or upper class? I mean, it is related to their income or not? I mean, if I'm as a worker right now, and then after that I got fired, and I will be from middle class and become a lower class. Is that happen or what? And then the second one, because you mentioned earlier about premium products, I remember about the rice. Yeah, I mean, because we have many kind of rice. One of them are premium product, like black rice, or yeah, black rice. Because most Arabic love our black rice. And then because many people right now care about health, and they want to buy premium products, not only rice, but also the oil, cooking oil. So they change the oil before from the palm oil become to coconut oil or soybean oil. So what do you think? Even though you said that it will be lost or become lower of the middle market, what do you think if we can connect that to the issue with the health? It will increase the middle class or how? Thank you, Anggit, and congratulations, Anggit. I'm happy to hear your presentation.
Okay, thank you, Miss Dian. Okay, Miss Edira, I can direct answer, reply.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, thank you, Miss Dian. Okay, I'm very afraid because Mr. Dian is the economical expert. So thank you for your feedback, Miss Dian. Okay, I think I know we know that in pandemic era, this is a bit our economic, yeah, our economic, our home economic in every family, because much for us is PHK. What is PHK? PHK, yeah, for
Fire, get
fire, yeah,
fired.
fire for our job. So all of maybe almost of us has no income for our expense, our daily expense. So we know the financial pyramid. Yeah, I think Mr. Acep can add about the financial pyramid. Yeah, financial pyramid is the basic. Yeah, the in the lower is the basic need. Yeah, basic need is how to we can survive. Yeah, how to we can buy the food. Yeah, buy the sandang pangan papan. Yeah, in Indonesia. So if we are middle class, we will hemat. What is menghemat? Menghemat our expense, our daily expense, yeah, to can survive in our life. Yeah, this is the effect for pandemic to middle class. Nah, but in the premium class, I think premium class is very rich people, yeah, crazy rich people. So the money is unlimited. So they can buy anything. No no see the money and the etc. So if the for middle class choose to buy the lower product or the affordable product, yeah, I think. But for the second one from Miss Dian, the premium product is still move fast moving, yeah, fast moving in the store, because I think the customer is the rich people, yeah, rich people. The money is unlimited. So I think healthy is not the most important, yeah, for the economic lower, because the economic lower, the important is they can buy the food, yeah, buy the food, not prefer to the premium rice, maybe premium rice, just only rice is enough for them. I think this Miss Dian.
Okay, Miss Dian, any question again or enough?
No? Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you, Miss Dira.
Thank
Okay,
you, Miss
thank
Dian.
you. Thank you, Miss Dian, for your question. And we have we have one participant to ask. Maybe Miss Khairunisa. Please, Miss Khairunisa.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Dira, for the opportunity. And thank you, Mr. Anggit, for a wonderful presentation. I can't agree more with the Miss Dian feedback. And I also feel the same like Miss Dian, because I get many insight from your presentation, Mr. Anggit. And thank you very much. I learned so much because in the pandemic, I start my own business. It's
okay.
Even though it's only a small business, but I find something that I can improve in my business based on your presentation. So the question that I want to know from you is about 3R marketing.
Oh, okay.
It's really I think your presentation will be very serious tonight, but this night I find that your presentation is really close to our daily life. So related to the 3R marketing, how we manage if the customer give negative review to our product and negative rating for our product. Can you have some insight to level up or beautify our product in front of the customer? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Chaye, yeah, for the question. I think in the phenomena about Ariel, do you know Ariel, the son of Ridwan Kamil? Yeah, she have lost in Aire River. So if we see the news, yeah, Indonesian people, yeah, netizen Indonesia give the lowest rate for the river Aire River. Yeah, this is the the powerful of the Indonesian netizen. So it is the fact rating for Aire River because Indonesian people might be very give the empathic, yeah, to the Ariel, the son of Ridwan Kamil, but it is the fact review because we know that musibah. What is musibah?
Disaster.
Oh, disaster! Oh, disaster with the Ariel. Okay, with the Ariel, it is the fact rating. But okay, Ms. Chaya, how we can manage the maybe the negative feedback for our customer? I think we can give the clarify what is the what is the complaint, yeah, from the customer. The complaint is real or just maybe the negative comment will beat your product or your business. So the most important, we can prepare our best product. Yeah, if the complaint is real or the fact, I think it is the good because we give the feedback to improve our business. Yes, I think feedback negative or positive, it is good to feedback our business. But in the digital era, if our customer give the negative feedback, it must I think it is can viral, ya, in maybe in TikTok or in Twitter. It is no problem. So I think the most important for us, we can manage, yeah, if any complaint, we can clarify the complaint is real or just fake, yeah, fake complaint. So if we as entrepreneur, if give negative feedback but it is not real, I think the feedback will be a boomerang to the customer who give the negative review or negative comment, I think. Miss Chaye.
Thank you, Mr. Anggit, for the explanation.
Any
Okay,
question
thank you, Miss
again,
Chaye.
Miss Chaye?
Actually, until now, I have no negative review. So I just prevent if I get one of negative review.
Okay. We still have a minute in the question answer. Maybe Mr. Acep, please ask Mr. Acep.
Okay, hello, good evening, everyone. It's
Good
been a great
evening.
pleasure to be here and hearing the wonderful presentation from Mr. Anggit. It's really lovely and it's really insightful as well. Mr. Anggit, just wondering, you mentioned about your suggestion to shift between, product-oriented, shifting from product-oriented to customer-oriented. And
Yes.
you also highlighted the importance of educating rather than advertising the features of product. So would you like to elaborate on that a little bit further? And do you think this also apply in service-based business, such as insurance, for example?
Okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Acep. If we know that marketing have shifting from product oriented to the customer oriented, yeah. Customer oriented, we can educate. Maybe if Miss Acep in insurance field, I think you cannot to show the press release, yeah, press release in the insurance, but you can educate maybe how we can avoid kerugian besar. What is kerugian besar? Kerugian besar in the
Big
future.
loss.
Yeah, loss. Yeah, loss the money in the future. Yeah, how we can anticipate. Yeah, maybe the first one we can saving, investing, and the second one we can use the insurance. Yeah, to protect our family. It is the if our product is services. How if maybe our product is food, maybe food, food, we can maybe we saw the how we can choose the healthy food, how where we can buy the healthy food, how we can save the 40 food in the in the freezer. Maybe it is the I think you can some tips, tips or trick about your relate with your product. Yes, not just because I think if you will follow the Instagram, but the Instagram just show the product, I think it is boring. I will unfollow the Instagram. Yeah, but if the Instagram give the more educational content, yeah, this is very interesting. I will follow sukarela. What is sukarela? Yeah, by
Voluntarily.
voluntarily to follow and to like the content, or maybe I will reshare in our story the content from your product. But imagine if your product just show the product and the press list. I think it's boring. I will unfollow your Instagram. It's Mr. Asep. Asep.
Oh yes, interesting. Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah, such a in my experience as a financial advisor, I think I prefer to showcase the function,
Yes.
the function of the product. But of course, to me, my it's not product but service, because as a consultant, really showing how to manage the financial thing, and also how to get protected very well based on their level of risk or risk profiling.
Yes.
So I agree, and also I think the most important as well, one of the most important strategy is how we can show our brand. I mean, personal branding.
Yes.
So if you're talking about service, I think you may confident enough that product is good, but you may be a little bit doubtful if you get that product from people that are not certified, people that maybe have unclear background, and you may not recognize very well. So I think personal branding, especially for those who work in intermediary, what we call intermediary aspect, or intermediary sector, such as a financial advisor, I think personal branding is very important.
Yes.
And it's different with marketing from the insurance company itself, because the marketing from company, maybe they really showcase the features of product, but when it comes to customers, I think the intermediary, or we call this the marketer or sales, really they should show how credible they are, and how to make sure that they're ready after sales service. Because such as in insurance, after sales service is the main key, because people will get benefit when they get risk, and then when at that time they really need help. So I think this is just sharing for insurance sector. The main important thing is not the features of the product itself, but also how the financial advisor really maintain the customers and also make sure that they're ready when the insurance is used in I mean when the times come, when risk come, or when the claim should be approved. So just a little bit sharing. So because last week you mentioned about branding, so I was really wondering so much about that as well, because how important branding itself, especially in the service sector, and how the intermediary people, I mean, who distribute the product to the customers, also have a special functions in terms of their personal branding. So do you agree with that, Mr. Anggit?
Okay, Mr. Acep, I'm totally agree with you. As the first one, it is the important to us, yeah, for we can shut the problem our customer, so we can deliver our product as the problem solution, yeah, not we sell the product, yeah, so we serve the customer. It is I think it is different, yeah. We can our product is the solution, yeah, from the problem customer. And the last one about the personal branding, I think personal branding is very important, yeah. Now I working in a startup company, especially in a logistic company. So I think I every day I make a story or about Instagram relate about the warehouse or transportation product as my our product. But it is not just show the product, but I think the tips and trick, yeah. So we as individu is very relate with our product, yeah, our product. So I think it is very help when the product maybe give the negative feedback, yeah. Maybe our product give negative feedback, but the customer very trust with the owner product. Maybe I very trust with Miss Chaye, yeah, but maybe the product still negative complaint. So I give trust full with Miss Chaye, but not trust with and not believe with the negative feedback. So I think the personal branding is very important to make a barrier for our product when our product gave a big complaint for customer. I think, Mr. Acep.
Yeah, thank you so much. That's really helpful as well to convince my idea. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Acep, for your discussion. Maybe the last question from the Mr. Syafuddin. Please, Mr. ask your question. Hello, Mr. Okay, maybe the connection is unstable. If no one to ask again, we move the next agenda, the breakout room. Maybe before we move to next agenda, Mr. Anggit can give us the closing statement from the material tonight. Okay, please, Mr.
Okay, thank you, Miss Adira and everyone. I think the conclusion is we know the pandemic is real, yeah, in our life. So we don't avoid the pandemic effect, but we can manage the pandemic effect, yeah, as like digital tools, yeah, to improve maybe our product, yeah, our service or if we are maybe the professional, like mungkin civil servant or the employee in the company, you can use this digital tools, yeah, to your personal branding. So in the future, I think your product or your career can bright, yeah, in the future. Okay, thank you, Miss Dira and everyone.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Anggit, for your amazing presentation tonight. Okay, the question and answer is time is up. Maybe we move to next agenda is breakout room. Maybe Mr. Dennis can help me. Okay,
Sure.
we move to breakout room.
Yeah, so we already divide people into 10 rooms. So you may just follow the rooms. Yeah. And you have 15 minutes for the first round and we will change to the second round. Okay, so I'll open the room, starts from now. Dira, 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 can you hear me?
Yeah, Mr.
Yeah. Would you mind to help me to
Uh-uh.
go from one room to another room to take a picture? I
Oh yeah,
wanna.
yeah,
Uh,
sure, Mr.
thank you, thank you, thank you,
Yeah,
Dira.
welcome.
Because I was the one who saved 5 minutes extra. I was the one who actually closed the room. I'm so sorry, everyone.
It's okay, sir.
Button.
It's
I clicked
okay.
the wrong button. I'm sorry.
It's automatically do it, sir.
Oh yeah, I think I put automatically. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
you're right.
automatically.
Astaghfirullahaladzim.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, automatically after 15 minutes. Okay, I will not click that one then. Okay. We move to the next breakout room, yeah, the second part, Dira.
Yeah, sure, Mr.
So recreate. Okay. Just to make sure, please tell me if you were with this partner earlier. Okay, just a moment. Okay. Mr. Surya will be with Mr. Acep. Miss Elma will be with Mr. Hamim. Mr. Bima will be with Mr. Tariq. Miss Shifa will be with Mr. Yahya. Miss Astuti will be with Mr. Firmansyah. Asus XOOTD, that's what I don't know who it is or who she is, together with Ayu Izaki, Hana M. Husna with Khairunisa SY.
Sorry, sir. Interruption.
Yeah, yeah.
Before I'm with Ayu.
Oh, you're with Ayu. Thank you. Bima ya.
Yes, Bima with Ayu, sorry.
Now you are with Torik Bima.
Oh, I mean the before. Now change the partner.
Oh yeah. Are you with the same partner now?
No. Before I'm with Ayu.
Oh yeah. So now you're with different partner.
Oh yeah.
So you are. I said that if you are in the same partner, please tell me. So I won't put you in the same partner. You are not with the same partner, right?
Yes, yes.
No. Okay, cool. Let me continue, yeah. That's why Asus XOOTD. It's with the Ayu Izaki. And then Hana M. Husna with Khairunisa SY. Miss Dian Ferawati Panjaitan with Yasir Amin. Abdi. Oh, Iswan. Okay. Abdi will be with Miss Dira. Mr. Anggit will be with Mr. Shefuddin. And I'll be the goalkeeper now. Okay. So, 20 minutes, yeah. I forgot. I put before 15 minutes. 20 minutes to discuss. Start from now, please. Oh, are you?
Yeah.
What's sorry, I didn't listen to your introduction before. What's your activity now?
No, I'm a social worker in Dompet Duafa.
Oh, you're social worker. In which dompet duafa do you work?
LPI.
Oh, do you know me?
Education.
Do you know me?
Yeah. Oh, I don't
Hello,
know.
can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, I hear.
Have we ever met before? Have we ever met before, Miss Ayu?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Actually, I'm just new
Oh, you are
work.
new.
Yeah.
Oh, I see, I see, I see. Because, wait a minute. Torik, which room were you from, Torik?
With Mr. Bima. I'm sorry, my Zoom just broke.
Oh, room
So
3 ya?
yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, I also I used to work in Dompet Duafa, Ayu, and
Oh,
now I have some project with activists with Mas Fazar. I believe you know Mas Fazar, right?
yeah, yeah.
I work with Mas Fazar with activists, and that's why I also know Dira because last time I collaborate with Miss Yaya
Yeah, 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 yeah.
in LPI. What's your position? In which place?
Uh, Actually, I'm a staff program for school for refugee.
Oh, is that smart? No, not smart excellence.
No, Excellencia System Development.
Oh, okay. And who is the headmaster now?
Headmaster, you mean director or
Yeah, director
manager?
probably ya. Ustadz
Mr.
Mulyadi?
Mulyadi,
Oh,
Ustadz
Ustadz
Mulyadi.
Mulyadi.
Yeah, Mulyadi sir.
I see, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I used to, yeah, with Dompet Duafa, I'm very close because my house now, do you know Baiti Janati? Have you ever heard that?
No,
Baiti
yes.
Janati is basically a
Parung.
neighborhood. Yeah, Parung. It's nearby, um, behind Pendopo 45. Pendopo
Ah,
45.
yeah, 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 I
And
know.
this neighborhood was I know this neighborhood because this neighborhood previously was promoted by Mas Aang
Mas,
behind
ya, Ang Budaya ya.
Ang Hudaya. He's my neighbor here. He lives
Ah,
nearby me. So,
oke,
how do you
oke.
know this program from, Miss Ayu?
Actually, I'm adik kelasnya Kak Acep.
Oh, I see. And you joined the program of millennial something? No.
No, I just see his poster in
You are also from IPB.
WhatsApp. Yeah, I
Oh,
am
I'm also
from
from
IPB.
IPB. Acep is my junior.
I'm
What
from
batch are you in?
THP.
Oh, yeah, production. What
Yeah,
batch?
product
40, 47, 48, 49, 51, 52, 55,
50, no, not 50.
40 what?
46.
Oh, 46. I'm batch
Yeah.
44.
Oh,
For Acep was the same as ERS. If you've ever heard ERS.
yeah, I have heard about it.
Yeah, I think in your year, you know Tian?
Tian.
Wait, THP is perikanan or peternakan?
Perikanan,
Oh, perikanan.
fisheries.
Yeah, yeah. So I don't know Tian is Acep senior or Acep junior ya. Tian is from his LCD local committee director of YAS after me, not after me. Two batches after me, I think.
Oh,
Where do you live, Ayu?
okay.
Check. Can you hear my voice?
Yeah,
Where do you live?
I live in Parung right now.
Oh, in Parung.
Yeah.
Do you rent a house? Do you live with your family?
Oh, just rent a house, rent a room.
Oh, 46. I have my sister-in-law, 46. Her name is Fanny.
Funny.
Alfani.
Funny. Which
Uh,
major?
Fisher, it's marine, but I don't know which marine faculty. Wait, do I have her?
Maybe kelautan ya kayaknya ya.
BDP. I think BDP.
Oh,
Do you know her?
BDP.
No, not really. Yeah.
Not
But I
really.
think she's 46. I think she is 46. Because you are 46, right?
Yeah, I'm 46.
Do you like so far working in Dompet Duafa?
Yeah, it's good. It's like Islamic environment.
Absolutely. I also used to work in Dompet Duafa in 2012. Before
Oh,
I believe, do you know Mbak Nur Etos?
yeah, I know. It's senior.
Yeah.
Is senior.
She's the most senior, yeah.
Yeah.
I used to work with Mbak Nur, Mbak Rizka.
Also, Mr. in Pembaharu
No.
Etos.
I was from in the past, yeah. I was
Yeah.
from marketing and communication staff at that
Staff.
moment. Yeah, I was the
Oh,
staff. After that, after I graduated from IPB, I
hmm.
worked in English First, EF Taman Yasmin.
English first.
2017, I quit and I made my course, Leaders English.
Oh,
And after that, I think last year, yeah, last year I and some friends, we made this free speaking group. So,
oh, good. It's very good.
what's your intention to join us, if I may know?
Because I'm a teacher about Indonesian teacher to teach refugee, and I
Refugee. Wow.
yeah,
And you must
and
teach in English.
my pronunciation English is not good actually, so
No, your
I
pronunciation
need
is good. Probably
I
just
need
practicing.
yeah, I need to practice. So
Ah.
that's why I want to join
Yeah,
this group.
this group is free every week. Everyone
Um,
has chance to speak. So it's different than my course. My course is commercial one, but
yeah.
this one we made this group for volunteer. So
Um,
this group is made by people. Basically, we don't collect money. We just wanna make people, because sometimes it doesn't mean that people don't wanna join the course, but people sometimes don't have money,
yeah,
and
yeah,
just
that's true.
they just wanna speak, and they don't have that place to speak.
Yeah, yeah.
And this group is made for that.
Yeah, it's good to so make this program.
Mm, even though probably you only can speak for 20 minutes with another partner, but the
Mm.
problem is this the first time for you to join?
Yeah, it's the first time I joined.
Hopefully next meeting you join again, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, but previously you were with who? But Django. Wait, no, what's his name?
Bima
Django, yeah.
Django, yeah.
Do you know him?
I don't know. But he's in high schools.
Yeah, and
He,
Acep, he knows it from Aceps too.
yeah.
Said.
But he is high school student.
Yeah, he's a high school student. That's what he said.
But his pronunciation is actually better than me.
No, Miss Ayu, it's not only just pronunciation. The most important thing is the way you express your idea. Look at Mr. Anggit previously. The most important part is confident. If we talk about pronunciation, if we talk about other things, as soon as you can deliver something confidently, pronunciation can be learned.
Yeah.
That's what I feel, because I used to. I mean, I've never joined any course. I went to US in 2005, but before I
Oh.
went to US, I couldn't speak English. I had a scholarship back then. So the scholarship, not because I could speak English, no, it's just because I was lucky at that moment.
What's scholarship?
If you've ever heard the AFS, American Field Service,
Yeah.
yeah, Alhamdulillah, I was accepted in that program. It was the
Oh.
first time I was in that program. There you go, Miss Dira is here already. I'll give it back to Miss Dira, yeah? Since
Yeah.
you're the moderator.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ayu.
Bilangnya tutup dulu.
Mr.
Sorry.
Denny,
Yes,
how
Dira.
how about a presenter and moderator
Yes,
for next week? We
yes,
choose next.
yes. That's actually that's what I also wanna give announcement a bit, if you don't mind.
Okay. Yeah, no problem.
Because one of our participant here, brother Acep, already wants to be a volunteer. So, Brother Acep, would you mind to share what you and other communities do for next week?
Okay, thank you, Kadenis, for the time. Just quick. Yes, next week, my Friends Millennials committee member really want to offer a special session to everyone here. But of course, we need further discussion internally in my team. But yes, maybe not really much different in terms of format. But if I try to recap the contents of the next meeting would be first speech, the possible topics about diversity, and of course the journey of Friends Millennial community, how to address that diversity, facilitating millennials and of course younger generations to value diversity.
So
And
it's gonna be also like since you said that it's gonna be collaborated program, so you have your own members and we put together. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. Yes, of course, in advance, I need to consult with you, Kak Dennis. But of course, for the speaker and moderator would be from
Yours.
Friends Millennial community. Yes.
Awesome.
So people here just maybe wondering the special session pass, and of there will be a game and the prize. So maybe something different in terms of breakout room. So maybe we don't need 2 times breakout room. We just use one breakout room because
One breakout room will be
just
good.
request.
Yes, it's
Yes,
okay.
because
Because we still need
the
breakout
second
room.
one with. Yes, I believe so. Yes, I believe so. That's why I just proposing to replace the second breakout room with game.
Okay.
And of course with the
Wonderful.
prize.
Yeah, yeah. So for tonight we don't need to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go on.
Okay, so tonight we don't need to choose new moderator or new presenter. So don't worry, everyone. It's gonna be next 2 weeks. I'll give it back to Dira. Please, Dira.
Okay.
Proposition,
Maybe.
Dira.
Okay. Maybe the last agenda, because the presenter and moderator for next week, we can choose. Maybe the last agenda, we take a picture together. If conditional condition, you can turn on your camera, all participants. Okay. 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 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Dira.
Just a quick announcement. Sorry, everyone. If you haven't joined the room or to our Telegram group or WhatsApp group, you may check our WhatsApp group or Telegram group. You may just join there, and also our Instagram at speaking.practice.group.
Miss Dira, who is our next presenter?
They will be from Mr. Acep, Miss Hana.
Oh, wow.
So we collaborate with his. I look like tukang pijit-pijit this one. Let me just change this filter. Okay, yeah. It's from Mr. Acep community, Miss Hana.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Can't wait for it.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for our participants. See you next week and take your time. And finally, I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you, bye-bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.
Thank you so much.
Next week.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.